Kumba Software DPAA tutorials. This tutorial is about how to create new directories within your appliances using the DataPower Administrator's Assistant. So be sure to set your video playback to high definition, and though some visual details of DPAA may have changed since this video was created, the functionality will be the same. So this is a pretty simple video. I have 4 different appliances selected, and I've selected one domain, though I could select multiple domains. If you've watched some of the other tutorial videos, you'll know that as you select different domains and appliances, the directory list dynamically changes to reflect the selection that you're making within the appliance and domain list. To create a new directory, select the directory where you want to start. Select the New Directory button above the list. The DPAA will automatically go out and give you an initial list of what you want to, of what you're working with. In this case, 4 appliances, and on this domain from the local root directory. Now, had I selected many different domains, all of this would be selected here. I want to create a new directory here. I can give it a name like so, and I can /delimit that and give it another new directory if I want to. And this would give me a nested directory. And when I'm good with what those directory names are going to be, I can simply select Finish. DPAA will go out and create the new directory. Once I close the window, you'll see that the new directory and another new directory has been created. Now, to prove this worked on all 4 appliances, if I select this first one, you can see it's here, and here, and here, and here. And even though the raw directory list is different between the 4 appliances, we have the new directories in both locations. That's as simple as it gets. If you want to see more, go out to www.kumbasoft.com. Go to the Features and Tutorials page, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.